Hey guys, what's up? My name is David Nutting, fitness coordinator and personal trainer at Club Greenwood. Today I want to dive into gut health. Your gut is home to tens of trillions of bacteria. Some are bad, causing digestive stress, and some are good, controlling the bad bacteria. These are called microbiome. The bacteria in the microbiome helps digest our food, regulates our immune system, protects against other bacteria that cause disease, and produces vitamins including vitamins B, B12, thiamine, riboflavin, as well as others. When the microbiome is not functioning properly, it can decrease your energy levels, negatively impact your metabolism, immunity, as well as brain health, and even have an adverse effect on your exercise performance. Obviously, this can give rise to a whole stack of long-term health problems, including chronic diseases, obesity, and even depression. Over 2,000 years ago, Hippocrates said, all disease begins in the gut. So with the following recommendations, I would say start very slowly, but here are some different natural probiotics, which are natural live microorganisms that help. They create live cultures. So one would be yogurt. Yogurt is something simple most people are going to know. I'm going to dive into a few that most people probably aren't going to be doing, but yogurt is going to be good. Get the active or live culture, something with low sugar is going to be good. Apple cider vinegar. So if you've ever tried that, mix it in with a little bit of honey. Don't put very much in and do it in a warm drink. And that's going to help it to taste a little bit better. Kefir, kimchi, kombucha, miso, sauerkraut, tempeh, as well as pickles. Those are all kind of natural probiotics. People who want to enhance their gut health may wish to include more of the following prebiotic-rich foods in their diet. This process encourages beneficial bacteria to multiply in the gut. Almonds, asparagus, avocados, bananas, chicory, garlic, Jerusalem artichoke, onions, oats, as well as whole grains. It's been said that Americans' fiber intake is 40 to 50% of what it actually should be. The recommendation usually is around 25 to 28 grams of dietary fiber. With that recommendation, I would say to start slow, start building up on your fiber intake, and be able to make sure you're drinking plenty of water so your stomach doesn't cramp up. A few more recommendations on gut health are to get more sleep, move more, exercise, even move after you're done eating when possible, as well as manage or lower your stress. Thanks for joining me today in this quick overview of gut health, and please click that like button below and share this with someone else. I'll see you again soon.